I'm about to install into a website domain an updated version of WordPress. So in this instance I'm going to this particular site. The first thing you need to do is not have that file there. It causes some problems. Now from that you can see I've got admin, login, etc. And what you do from this is you can go and click on the install, and the install will start installing. You can see all the versions of WordPress, and you can see the release date of WordPress here. So it's actually gathering data. What we'll be looking to see is the link directly to go to login that will allow us then to get to the next stage, which is adding in the site building software that we'll be using. But our first stage is to actually install WordPress itself into the domain to make it then accessible to build from. You can also add, as you will see shortly, the different aspects of different plugins that may be suitable. This is being built through something called the cPanel, and that allows us to install the software to actually run WordPress. In other words, there are other platforms available other than WordPress, but we're looking specifically at that. And here you have the completed version of our site. So we need to click here, and this will then take us directly into the site. This is a completely fresh install. We have the words WordPress there that tell us exactly where we are, and I have the user details here. So that is your WordPress installed.